Welcome to another Alex Geometry topic instructional video by Mr. Hardy. What we're going to do with this topic is find the area of a regular polygon. So polygon means many sides. That's all that means. So typically, when we work with a triangle, we don't call it a polygon, but it has 3 sides, so it is a polygon. We work with squares, 4 sides, all equal. Or we work with rectangles, 4 sides, all equal. These are all polygons. But typically when we start getting to more than 4, like a 5-sided, actually these are hard. A 5-sided is kind of hard to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I start forgetting the names of these. They have names, but I forget them. So I just start calling them polygons. Okay, so what we want to do is like, what's the area? What's the area inside? So let's say this is kind of some fancy building with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. And let's say you wanted to buy carpet for it. So how much carpet do we need? Would be the question. So we want to find the area of this polygon. So we have a formula. It's here. It's called the area A of a polygon is the apothem, some measurement, the apothem, times the perimeter. Okay, so you should know that the perimeter is the distance all the way around. So if you walked around this, it's the distance all the way around. And actually, since the sides are equal, then it's whatever this measurement is times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 times whatever this measurement is the perimeter. Okay, now the apothem is the distance from the center straight down to one of the sides. So it could be over here too, and over here. But what it creates is a 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle. Alright, what it is not, by the way, is it's not the distance to the corner. Be careful. This doesn't create that angle is not 90 degrees. Okay, it's the distance straight down. Okay, so the formula just says it's 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. So in this problem, they give us that. They say that the apothem is this, so this goes right there, and the perimeter goes right there. So I'm just going to plug those values in. And by the way, this is 7.8, and we usually don't, but I'm just going to go ahead and put the units in, and then 552.0 feet. Okay, so now what this means is, the way I see it, as I ignore the 1, 7.8 times 52.0 divided by 2. So I'm going to do that on the calculator real quick. 7.8 times 52 equals 405.6 divided by 2 equals 202.8. So 202.8. Now, feet times feet. Oh, I didn't do that. That should have been feet. FT. Made a little mistake there. FT. So this should be feet squared. That's all I was trying to get at. Okay? So that's all you do. You just use this formula. Now, clearly, put this in your notebook, because I don't remember this stuff. So I strongly recommend you put it into your notebook. Okay, let's look at the slight twist. They want us to find the area again. What's the area? Okay, now I see that it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sided polygon, but this time they're only giving us the measure of one side. Okay, so our formula, if you remember it, it's area equals 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. Okay, so that's 1/2, and they're giving us the apothem of 2.4. Now, what's the perimeter? Well, it's this distance plus this distance plus this distance plus this distance plus this distance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 5 times 3.5. So I'm just going to put that in and do the calculation all at one time. So you could do this on your own, but okay, so I'm just going to go 2.4 times 5, right? This is multiplication, times 5 times 3.5 equals, and then I'm going to divide by 2. So I get 21, and then again, this looks like our units are feet, so I know it's area, so it's feet squared, feet times feet. Okay, that's how you do these problems. Remember that formula, and it's very easy. Good luck.